Hey everyone, another update. Yeah, had some problems. Tried straightening it and tried it again, but just running it up on the desk, and it completely just bent. No idea, just totally knackered now. So there's no way I can use that. So I've made something. There we go. Carbon fibre prop shaft. So what I've done was I cut the ball ends off of the original one and made this carbon fibre prop shaft. I got, where is it? I've got a bit somewhere lying around. So it's basically a carbon fibre tube, and then I've got another solid carbon fibre rod glued into the middle of it, and then cut the ball ends off the aluminium one and put it in there. Turn the ends down so that it fitted in the tube, and then it get this to focus better. There we go. So yeah, turn the end down. So I've cut that off, turned the end down on the lathe so it fitted in the tube, and then drilled and pinned it, and it's all done up with epoxy. So hopefully this is going to work. And I've also figured out why there's a problem. I was obviously looking for a new one of these shafts, see if I can get one that wasn't bent from the factory. And they look, basically all I could find was some Tamiya ones, but they look awfully similar. So I reckon they've basically used Tamiya ones, and the cups are slightly too big. So if I put this in, here's the old, there we go. If you put that in there, basically it's yeah, so it's got a lot of movement there. So when it's spinning, obviously if it throws it to one side, then that's going to be sort of oscillating. So what I'm going to do is just put some very small bits of heat shrink on the pins, just a very small slice, and then shove it in the hole, and hopefully that will stop that sideways movement. And if this doesn't work, I've ordered a solid 6mm stainless steel bar, and I'm going to try and make a complete new drive shaft out of stainless steel. So, and I'll try and get it to fit perfectly in the cups with no movement. But let's try the heat shrink idea first. Okay, so you see I just cut some tiny bits of heat shrink and just put them, there we go, on the ends of the pin there. And where are we? Both ends. And you can see how mangled the shafts have been from rattling around in there. Look at that. So hopefully this will cure it. So let's try and get it in the front first. There we go. It's not going to be easy doing this with one hand. There we are. Right, so that's in there now. Let's push this up. Ooh, try and get the oh, come on. It isn't easy to do normally, but one-handed it's a pain. There we go. That's it. So that's seated in there. It's got two little recesses that these little pins sit in, so that's about where it would be. So now, hopefully, there we go. Move that, give it a wiggle. No sideways movement. There we go. Yep, no movement at all. So hopefully that will work. Like I said, I've ordered a bit of 6mm stainless steel. So I might have to make a new one anyway if I upgrade the motor, so it's more powerful. So hopefully this will do for now. There we go, perfectly straight, no wobbles. So hopefully this will work. So I have to get it all back together, give it a run up, and hope it doesn't rattle loose and destroy itself. So let's get it all back together. Okay, well, she's in. I don't know, the heat shrink kept sort of slipping off. It wasn't gripping that well, so I put a little bit of high strength thread lock on just to keep it sort of in place. Hopefully, I had to leave it for a long time to go off. I don't even know if it's gone off yet, but I thought I'd leave it for a while. Hopefully it's alright. I've only got a 3S plugged in there at the moment. I'm not going to tempt fate and test it on 4S. So let's give it a try. Oh, my new transmitter has arrived. I've got the old Dumbo RC, as recommended by Kevin Talbot. So I thought that would be a good one for a high-speed car. So as that was what he was going to use. So hopefully it will work out alright. And it does have crazy fast steering on it. So let's set the camera down. I've got a little torch here I can shine. So let's see what this is like. I've got this new box here to test it on. Hopefully it'll be a bit more stable. Oh, it's looking alright. Look at that. Nice and straight. Oh. Uh-oh, what happened there? Made a funny noise there. I think I might have thrown a bit of the heat shrink. I might have to redo it. No. It seems to be reasonable. Maybe I'll glue it in place instead of using thread lock. Still looks like it's spinning alright. Anyway, hopefully that's worth a try. I'm not sure how strong it's going to be when actually driving it, but oh well. Hopefully it's fixed it. If not, hopefully the steel one will if I make that. But this might have to do for now. Anyway, hopefully this is going to do it. I was really annoyed when that got bent. So anyway, thanks for watching. Bye bye.